I'm videoing your video.
Oh my god.
Yes, I'm recording you. Yeah, guys, I'm recording guys on camera. Yeah, I'm recording guys.
Yeah, I have to.
Here's Jackson, the stinky idiot. And today we're going camping. This is totally not in the backyard. Right, we're camping with the GJC squad.
J squeeze.
There you go.
Pretty big fire.
It's like it's so big. Also, guys, it's recording.
I have a glow stick. No. Can I have
I'll cut that video. I'll cut that part out of the video. Don't worry. Alright. Hey, have the glow stick. Also, wait, before I do, look, everyone, I have a glow stick. I'm gonna give it to the stinky idiot.
What's in there?
Hey, stop campfiring my campfire.
We're campfiring.
Stop campfiring
With
my
my
own.
neighbors. The day.
I'm gonna campfire you. I'm gonna throw you into the sacrifice.
Okay, don't worry. I got you. I got you. Okay. How about I throw your phone in there? Oh, shoot. Everyone who gives me the phone, okay, stop.
This glow stick.
Dad,
I
you
will
are
follow.
not Sigma. Why are you picking up the flaming stick and
Exactly. What the heck?
I had
For the balloon. Alright, I'm gonna go get some vlogs. I'm gonna go get some yep. But what are you gonna do with that? Put it in there, put it in there, man. Oh, watch out.
what? Dog, I licked the
fire song.
Hell yeah!
You don't have
Guys, who's gonna tell this camp stories? Who's gonna tell this camp stories?
Yo, what is spray to the blood dog?
Okay.
I'm feeling the seat.
Yo, turn that up. Your phone only plays at that.
Fire! Let's throw Jackson to the fire.
Campfire song. These Simmons phone only plays at play.
I'm gonna zoom it into the.
Okay, this one's louder.
Sorry. Okay.
Damn.
Now we're taking a break.
I'm smoky.
Okay.
There you go, yeah.
Whose phone is that?